The Your Union campaign is a great opportunity for students to take ownership of K-State and the student opportunities that we have here. I know when I was visiting campus as a prospective student, I really, for the first time, had a chance to meet the K-State family. And what stuck out to me was the way that students took ownership and were really invested in their campus and in their family. And I really believe that we're a family that takes care of one another, and we have a great opportunity to do that and exercise leadership by investing in future students and future family members by voting yes for Your Union on April 10th and 11th. I think it's an investment that we need to do to take care of the future of our family. I also think it will provide phenomenal opportunities for continued growth and development, as well as we seek student success and retention moving forward with K-State 2025. This is a decision that the student body not only needs to make, but will benefit greatly from in the future if we decide to vote yes on April 10th.